Hello and welcome to Tech Edified. Today I'm going to show you in this video how you can create a text that looks very bolder that you can post on Facebook. Maybe you have seen this kind of post, or you have been scrolling through your Facebook and you have seen this kind of post. I'm going to show you how you can do that. Now in Facebook, you cannot just create a text that looks very bold. Now to do that, you need to open up a new tab. That is, if you have a browser. Now quickly search for bold text generator. We have a lot of websites that you can do that, but we're going to try it with the first one. So we call it lingojam.com. You can also try the Namecheap one on here. So let's go to bold text generator. All right, so here we're going to put our text that we want it to look very bold here. So I'll just key in the text. Probably this can be just like a heading, or maybe you want to put something on Facebook but you want the heading to be very bold. So let's put our text here. All right, so this is what we need as our title. So now when you type it and you go through here, you will see a lot of bolded text styles that you can choose that probably come with different fonts. So if this is the style that you want, you can just copy it. So go down, let's assume maybe this is what I want to use on Facebook, or let's pick this one for example. So let me pick this one. So I'll select it and then right click and choose copy. Now when you choose copy, go back to your Facebook and then where you want to type, just put in there and then paste it. You can right click and choose paste, or you can use Ctrl V to do that. So this will create a very bold text heading for you. And then you can go ahead and do your typing. Your typing will come in a normal way. So basically that is how you can use this text generator to create a text that looks very bold on Facebook. Now let me know how you can do your own in your next post in the comment section. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel if today happens to be your first time, and don't forget to share this video to help others know how they can do this. See you in the next video. Bye bye.